Well, if you're here in Houston, Texas on the I-69, you can pull off the freeway into this little strip mall where a husband and wife team went to Italy, found the chef they really liked, and finally convinced them to come over here and help them open up a joint. You want a one-way ticket to Italy? It's right here. Fresco Cafe Italiano.
In Parma prosciutto, burrata and bruschetta.
This is where I come to feel like I am in my little town in Nicosia.
It's so good.
My mother's full Italian, and it reminds me of back in the younger days of tasting the authentic Italian food.
One ravioli.
Roberto said he wanted to come to America to create what he created in Italy. He was admitted to the country on a very special visa because of his expertise.
You have a chance to range through the different cuisines from Sicily to Lombardy and everything in between.
All right, so we're gonna make the tagliatelle.
With lamb sauce.
And a lamb tagliatelle.
I love lamb and the way that chef braises that for hours and hours. So delicious.
The pasta is made fresh every day.
All right, chef, let's start making the pasta.
Okay. 2-time grind semolina.
2-time grind.
9 eggs for 1 kilo semolina. Italian lady wake up in the morning for make the pasta, see the sky with the sun, wind, or humidity. They put one more or less egg in the pasta.
How does the Italian chef in Houston under the fluorescent light, what does he say?
In Houston, it's 9 eggs. 4 or 5 minutes. The pasta.
Beautiful. Next?
Take lamb, shoulder or leg.
No salt, no pepper, no oil, no herb, no nada.
No. We for preserve the special flavor of the lamb.
I'm here to learn.
We cooked in the oven for 7 to 8 hours, 240 degrees. Take back.
No seasoning.
That's it.
Now we make the sauce?
Yes. The extra virgin olive oil. Mirepoix.
You want me to get the salt?
No. Bouquet garni.
Bouquet garni is a French term.
My training in the kitchen is all French.
All French.
Lamb stock, tomato.
San Marzano?
Yes. And the lamb cook for 1 more hour.
We're gonna put some Parmesan.
No Parmesan.
Anywhere.
No. The customer put the Parmesan on the top. Pasta cooker.
From Italy.
Sauce.
No salt.
No salt.
No chili flake.
No chili flake. Okay, you tried before without the cheese?
I'm not gonna try. You're gonna stab me if I try with. It's simple, it's straightforward, delicious. The lamb broke down enough in the sauce that it's creamy and it sticks to the pasta. The acidity of the tomato, the sweetness of the mirepoix, and a little bit of the bouquet garni, letting fantastic ingredients do all the work. That is Italy right there.
Yeah, it's Italy. The tagliatelle lamb is in the window.
The combination with fresh pasta and all the vegetables and the cut of lamb that they use, it just melts in your mouth.